soon as you find a safe place, preferably away from traffic. Apply the handbrake and switch your engine off, and turn on your hazard lights if necessary. Now take a look at the puncture. Sealant kits will only fill holes up to about 4mm across. So if you've got a nail in your tyre, that's fine. But if the tyre's torn or the alloy wheel itself is damaged, you're going to need to call a breakdown service. You'll find your repair kit in the boot. It'll either be in the side panels or, as here, under the boot floor. Now it consists of two parts, the bottle of sealant and the compressor for pumping up the tyres. If you do have an object like a nail in your tyre, don't try to remove it. Just unscrew the valve cap and attach the sealant bottle, and once attached, the pressurised sealant will spread around inside the tyre. On this Toyota, the air compressor for inflating the tyres is then attached to the back of the bottle. However, on many other cars, you'll need to unscrew the bottle and attach the air compressor directly to the valve on the tyre. Now it's time to inflate your tyre. So take the lead from the compressor and plug it into the cigarette lighter or 12-volt socket inside your car. Then start the engine. Now turn the compressor on and inflate the tyre until it reaches the recommended pressure shown in your car's handbook. If the tyre isn't inflating properly, try rolling the car forward a few metres to help the sealant spread around. If that doesn't work, you may still need to call a breakdown service. If you manage to repair the tyre, well done. You can carry on driving, but you'll need to stop a couple of miles down the road to check your tyre pressures again. And remember, this is only a temporary fix, so drive gently and keep your speed below 50 miles an hour. When you get to a garage, remember that you'll need to buy a new can of sealant and a new tyre, which tests every aspect of tyre performance, wet braking to wear. So check our reviews before you buy.